Oh man.
Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage, Lotus Esprit Turbo SE, Letsee. So, there's something wrong with the engine, so I need to do a complete engine maintenance overhaul in the next winter time. So I need to remove it completely from the car. If you like to see what's wrong with the engine, please click the link. And here is the engine maintenance series, part 1. Enjoy! First, let's remove these gas struts.
But before I do that, I need to secure this tailgate with my rope. Take these away. Okay. Now cool. So the other one. Oh. This is the clip. Now I have no idea. Swing each catch handle down and forwards until the hinges are horizontal. Like so. Oh man, how heavy is this? No, not so heavy. Okay. Let's start to disassemble the engine bay. I will take these side walls first. This is a really simple process. Unscrew the screws. Okay, like that. The left side fuel tank, and there is a right side fuel tank. 2 fuel tanks. These 3 are from here, here and here. Always, if you can, screw the screws back in place so you don't lose them. Electrical stuff. There is diagnostic connector here and all the relays and fuses. There is 3 different solenoids. Actually these are the same. I got sometimes code 26 and the code is cleared when you clean this solenoid. Number 1. Congratulations. There's vacuum lines here also. This I will mark as plenum. The progress is slow, but it's still progress. The last one is there. Excellent. Cleaning, engine cleaning with this, I don't know what do you call this thing?
Paineruisku.
Remove the AIRBOX and AIRBOX funnel. I think we need a 10mm unscrew the whole AIRBOX air filter box. You don't need to get them completely off because there is plenty of room if you just loosen the screws.
So that was the part 1. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. And remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
The wind in your ears, you have known over so many years. You can do it, you can do it. You are born to be doing it, so do it. You can do it.